Then the next part, I want to share with everyone that it's a math problem, the ability to return capital or the ability to invest. How profitable is it here? Let me calculate for everyone. First of all, as the information I mentioned, WEFI expects to list in October, right? October 2024. October 2024 is scheduled for listing. It's going to list prices from 0.1 to 20 cents per WEFI. And this is the company's expected price. Expected company price. It could be 0.1, it could be 0.15, it could be 0.2. That, generally speaking, it fluctuates around that. The lowest and highest can be. The list will be in that space. Then I will calculate a math problem based on the lowest price the company offers. It's only 10 cents. It's only 10 cents. I have the information as follows. The first listing price is 10 cents. Next is the mining speed of 8 coins per second. And the time to start digging is in early August. This is the information that I shared correctly. In August is going to start digging WEFI. Expected price is 10 cents and 8 coins per second. And here I have, information is 8 per second. I will calculate the number immediately. How much WEFI does it produce a day? Now you're going to take these 8 coins. You multiply for 60 seconds. It's a minute, right? You multiply for 60 minutes. It's 1 hour. You multiply 20 for by 1 day. It's going to be equal to 691,200. See how fast it is. 691,200 WEFI per day. I know what it is. This number will not change. That number won't change for 2 years. Within 2 years, every day it will output such WEFI quantity. Then, what is the question? How many peoples are digging? How many peaches? If the launch date starts digging, there's only one digger. You know how much WEFI that person has, right? That person will get 691,200 WEFI. But it's August when we start digging. How many peoples are digging? I'll never know how many diggers there are. I can only calculate the EDO number. And an information. The company information published in. About 2 days ago, the company has sold more than 11 million ITOs. And from now until the day you start digging, it is about in 2 weeks, I think. Multiply this by about 20 million ITO. That means it's time to start digging. Mine out WEFI, mining WEFI. There are 20 million EDO involved in mining. What will this 691,000 be divided into? Divide by this 20 million ITO. I will also divide it. 691,200 divided by 20 million. Equal to 0.03456 per EDO. That means an ITO will mine 0.03456 WEFI 1 day. Then I'll get this number. Multiply by the number of ITOs you have. Then you'll know how many WEFI can you mine a day. I assume the minimum package is 5,000 ITO. This is 5.000. Then with 5,000 ITO you multiply by this number. If I multiply this number, what will I get? The result is 170.8 WEFI per day. And now I'm going to continue. August start digging, October listing. That means we'll have 60 days of mining, right? I'll have 60 days of mining. I'll take 60 times this number. Multiply by 60. The result is roughly 10,368. I know what that means in early October. In early August, we started mining. Maybe early October is possible. Chances are you'll have over 10,000. Over under 10,000 WEFI. Because this number is my estimate. So it's not accurate. By August, start mining. When there is an exact number, then I will be able to calculate. And now I've rounded it up to 10,000. We rounded up to 10,000 WEFI. I multiply the price by 0.1 when listing. You'll have $1,000. Right? and let this moment. If you have 5,000 EDO, it's about $755. It's not $755 yet. $755. So this is the repayment problem. Return of capital after 2 months. You buy from now until August. If you don't like it, you sell WEFI. Sold out the amount mined. Mining until October is sold out. Capital recovery. You will benefit a little because, I said little interest, because I don't know exactly how much WEFI I'll get. I only know that, somewhere near above 10,000. It's almost a point. After their analysis, they found that it was almost. It's a very good stage that we're involved in. I can invest very well, according to my analysis. It's the same if you are. If you have 10,000 to 20,000, you can calculate it yourself. You can multiply it yourself. If you multiply it yourself, I know what it is. High probability of capital recovery.